Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando nesikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisiphote njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla.
Chairperson. Maybe let me begin by extending my apologies if I sound a bit irritable. I woke up this morning to a report that the public protector will be investigating matters relating to the Minister of Police, Senzo Mchunu. I find it extremely disturbing because that institution has become one that justifies criminality. I want to urge the Honorable Zungula to go and withdraw his complaints because the outcome there is going to delegitimize that entire process. So I want us to at least speak to that. Chairperson,
Le video qeda kuyibona kaSinawo Thambo yange-11 zikaJuly 2025. Uvuyo Zungula wa submitter efake complaint yakhe ukuthi kunezinto afuna ziphenywe mayelana nesenzo sika Minister Senzo Mchunu. So kuxambukela endabeni zamaphoyisa nangesikhathi disbanda i-political killing task team. Ngomhla ka-7 i-press briefing yayi ngomhla ka-6 uvuyo Zungula wayifaka ngomhla ka-7. Ngomhla ka-11 wamxwayisa uSinawo Thambo wathi ndoda withdraw leya case uyifake lapho ngoba leya institution i-justifya ubugebengu, iyabuvikela ubugebengu. Eqinisweni lelonke ngangiyibona lento ku Twitter kuthiwe South Africa sinayi public protector kodwa sine president protector. Angithandanga ukuyikholwa lento. Kodwa ngale kokuthi abantu babe kusho lokho emveni kwe-Phalaphala report. Ngale kwalokho kodwa ngithe mase ngibhekisisa kahle nami ngabona ukuthi impela ngathi baqinisile labantu. Uvuyo Zungula inyangeni ezedlule I think beku August noma beku September ubhale i-statement esibhalela i-office ka public protector ethi ngisho nje uacknowledge ukuthi bayitholile information noma icomplaint yakhe lutho akaze kwenzeke lutho kuthulekile kuze kube namhlanje. Nansi ke inkinga enkulu yokuthi kuthathwa ama-office lawa abalekile anikezwa abantu aba-affiliated nama-political parties. Ihlupha lapho nje yonke lento ngoba babeka i-interest ye-political party phambili kunomsebenzi ofuneka bawenze. Uvuyo Zungula ubhale ipost engifisa sikhulume ngayo wayesekhipha ne-statement. Ngifisa sikhulume ngalokho ngoba ingakho ngenze le video. Ipost uvuyo Zungula ubhale kanje section 3.2 of EMEA requires ukuthi public protector to submit a report within 30 days of receiving a complaint. We lodged a complaint on the 7th of July. Now, over 90 days later, there is still no report. General Mkhwanazi did speak about institutions that have been compromised by criminal elements. Section ithi fanele public protector ithathe 30 days bese ibuya ne-report. Kodwa uvuyo Zungula uthi it's been 90 days. It's been 90 days. Why? Na umbuzo funeka sizibuze wona ukuthi why? Ku 90 days. Is it because umuntu ofuneka aphenywe uyimember ye-ANC? Is that the reason? Ngiyazibuza nje. Khumbula ukuthi uSihlelo Nziwa lodge complaint earlier on about uZwelo lo wakwasebenza as a senior researcher ku-NYDA asikaze sezwa lutho elivela public protector. Yingakho uSinawo Thambo wathi kuvuyo Zungula hamba withdraw le complaint oyifake lapho ba le institution ngeke kusize ngalutho. Sengiyabakholwa bathi eSouth Africa sinayi public protector kodwa sine president protector. Asinayi public protector. Athi ngikufundele le statement ke siphuma ku-office ka public protector esiya kuvuyo Zungula. Le email ithunyelwe kuvuyo Zungula ngomhla ka-7 October 2025. Isihloko sayo sithi investigation into allegations of political interference, abuse of power, conflict of interest and improper conduct by Mr. Senzo Mchunu, the Minister of Police in the execution of his executive mandate. 1. Please be informed that the investigation has progressed. And furthermore, the investigation lean is currently analyzing the information and evidence received. 2. We will continue to keep you apprised of any significant developments until the investigation reaches a conclusion. For any inquiries regarding this matter, kindly contact Ms. Veronica Pillay, Acting Executive Manager, Investigations at email. Yours sincerely, wasiyasayina ke lapho Ms. Veronica Pillay. Uyakhumbula ekuqaleni uVuyo Zungula ubhalile ukuthi ngokomthetho i-public protector afuna ithathe 30 days bese bebuya ne-report. Wakhala wathi it's been 90 days. Inaba ezoqala manje ukuphenya. Kuzoqalwa manje ukuphenya. Yingakho ngithi sengiyabakholwa babethi asinayo public protector kodwa sine president protector. Ngiyacabanga uVuyo Zungula la khona uyawakhumbula amazwi kaSinawo Thambo. Ngiyacabanga njengoba nami ngiwakhumbulile uma ngibona le post yakhe. Ngathi konje washo Sinawo Thambo wathi akazisize nje uVuyo Zungula withdraw le complaint ayifake lapha kulela office ngoba le institution ayizukumsiza ngalutho. Ngiyacela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho mhlambe wena uke wayibona leli office lisebenza kangcono. Angifuni sibuyele emuva. Angifuni nje sibuyele emuva ngoba ukubuyela emuva kuzosenza ukuthi sigcine sicompare ukuthi ngesikhathi kubani owayiphethe kwakunje ngesikhathi kuphethe bani kwakunje. Angifuni sibuyele, ngifuna sikhulume nje ngaleli eliphethwe nangu-advocate uKholeka ukuthi ngokwakho ngabe lento eshiwo ngabantu uyibona kanjani? Ngesingawe lento eshiwo ngabantu ukuthi lela office aliproject abantu abayi-public, li-protect abantu abathize, especially aba-connected ne-ANC. If awukho connected ne-ANC ngeke lize li-protect lela office. Ngicela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho. Umzwile uVuyo Zungula, uyibonile umzwile uSinawo Thambo, wayibona iletha ephuma kwi-office ukuthi after 90 days inaba ezoqala ukuphenya. Okusho ukuthi bazothula i-report if bathathe 30 days bazoyithula after 120 days. 120 days i-report leyo. Noma balinde ukuthi uMinister uSenzo Mchunu ayovela kwi-commission kaMadlanga noma kwi-ad hoc committee bese ke bezuhlangothi lakhe le story bese bedraw ke conclusion from lapho. Obvious vele ezovuna yena oba izomvuna i-conclusion ezovela kule office. Kanti uVuyo Zungula uke wakhuluma kanje.
You know, if you are a public official, public representative, if you know that you'll be held accountable, I can tell you now, you will do things the right way. But if you know that you can evade accountability by being protected politically by the powers that be, or maybe you've got compromised individuals in some of these law enforcement agencies or Chapter 9 institutions who can assist you to evade accountability, then corruption, maladministration, mismanagement of funds will always be the order of the day, because people know that it is not about doing wrong. Rather, it is about you've got people that will protect you when you've done wrong. So you find that now the ANC as an organization will inculcate that culture to the rest of government systems, whereby they are going to protect each other, because if one person gets arrested, there's a fear that other people will be arrested as well. It is about the culture that the ANC is embedded in order to protect themselves as corrupt individuals, that once you've got compromised people around in government, no one will stand up and fight for what is right and push for accountability.
Lilonke mawufuna ukwenza ubugebengu la ungeke uzube accountable khona. Mawufuna ukwenza ubugebengu wazi ukuthi uzovikeleka. Funa ube ku-ANC ngoba there is no consequence management. Yingakho abantu bekwazi ukuthola ithenda yokwakha umgwaqo. idliwe imali ingabibikho, umgwaqo ungabibikho, kodwa kungabi nalutho olwenzekayo. Akuboshwa umuntu ngoba uma ungaqala uthi ubopha abantu kuzofuneka ukuthi kube khona abantu abaningi, kodwa kunalokho funeka bavikelwe labo bantu. Yingakho nje abantu abaningi ngoba lento yamathenda, uma ungena connection wabantu be-ANC ngeke uze uyithole ithenda. Into yokuqala nje funeka uyazi, uma ungena connection wabantu be-ANC angeke uze uyithole ithenda. Futhi nakhona moku ANC kufuneka ubheke ukuthi uhamba nobani, ngoba yabona nje ake ngithatha umzekelo, mawuthatha iZondo Commission, i-report yakhona isetshenziswa ukulwa nabantu abathize. Kunabantu abanjengo Ace Magashule useyinkantolo manje ngoba i-information against yena ngoba bekakule is on the other side. Uyilabantu abaphikisana noma abamelene no president. Kodwa mawubheka abantu abanjengogwede Mantashe, ekhona i-report ngabo kwi-commission kaZondo, kodwa kwenzeka lutho ngabo ngoba bakwi-fiction right ye-ANC. Nanso-ke enye into funeka uyibheke, noma ukhona ku-ANC funeka uzi-associate ne-fiction ethize ukuze ukwazi ukuvikeleka. Akusiwo wonke umuntu ovikelekile, kodwa i-majority yabo bavikelekile. Mzukwane kwaba khona ama-consequences. Abantu bathola ithenda bangadeliver, baboshwa, kwadliwa impahla yabo, kwenzeka yonke leyo nto leyo. Yonke le nkinga esinayo soyibona iphela. Kodwa sinale nkinga ngoba there is no consequence management. Ayikho. Ingakho nje nami inkinga mina ngihlulwa into eyi-1 ukuthi uNembeza wami ngeke uze ungiphe ukuthula. Ukube bengiyakwazi ukubulala uNembeza, manje ngizamela ukubhekana ku-YouTube how to kill your conscience, angiyitholi information enjalo. Bengiyojoin i-ANC. ANC funa ufike lapho uhluphe ube lenhlobo ekhuluma kakhulu uzokwazi ukuthi usheshe ukhuphuke. Ube seyikhundleni uzokwaziwa. Noma ufike lapho uzane nabantu abathize. Ya, angiyibambe le video, ngicela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho la ku-comment section. Ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani. Mhlawumbe mina ngibona wrong. Mhlawumbe sinawo Thambo wakhuluma iphutha, kodwa ngicela ukuzwa kuwe ukuthi ngempela sinayo na i-public protector noma sinayo. Ilokho nje ngicela ukuzwa kuwe. Mina nawe sidibane kwi-video elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.